What's good, mate?
Do you know what this is?
It's a beta. It's a beta.
Oh, charge your phone.
Oh, charge your phone.
Oh, shit, bro. You can call
Oh,
on this
you
shit,
can
my
call.
nigga. Shit. Hey, my nigga, call my mother. You can call. Yo, this is modern payphones, my nigga. Call on this.
They got Wi-Fi here? Oh my gosh. I can go record home.
Nigga. Looking good, darling.
Oh, what else you got in here?
In 5 months, about 500 of these super fast Wi-Fi kiosks called LinkNYC will be installed across 5 boroughs in New York City. These will replace the old school public payphones and will provide Wi-Fi and domestic phone call services for free.
Sort of like public toilets.
In what way?
There should be public toilets. And there aren't. Folks need to be able to relieve themselves. They need to connect. They need to be connected. You want to be able to be accessible.
Oh my goodness.
Who first told you about it?
I just saw that and I realized that this is it. You know? Quick, strong Wi-Fi.
Right now, there are about 50 of these Wi-Fi kiosks under beta test only along 3rd Avenue in Manhattan. Some are active with Wi-Fi access, some are yet to be. But 500 more in 5 months are not enough. By the year 2020, there will be around 5,000 across the city.
And LinkNYC will be the Wi-Fi network New York City deserves. It will be the biggest and fastest network in the world.
City Bridge, the consortium of experts behind LinkNYC, is investing over $200 million to build fiber optic cable that would deliver gigabyte connectivity 100 times faster than average public Wi-Fi to each of the kiosks.
Hello? Mom? Hey, Pete. Where are you coming from? It's a telephone booth, but a modern telephone booth. The access to internet is the biggest thing for people who don't have that opportunity.
But too many New Yorkers do not have access to the internet. That is the cold reality. The web is where our kids do the research they need to do for school. It's where parents look for jobs. It's where people access services and benefits that they deserve. It's more important than ever.
Let's check our grades. My boys, we about to be all together, man.
Because it's like we got internet everywhere, man.
Hey, cholo, man. What's good, man?
Hope these kids can use the internet for good purposes. This is LinkNYC from Reboot New York. Until next time.